Friends, we just saw that our joy in the Lord does not depend on our circumstances. Even in the midst of sorrow, we can be joyful in the Lord. That is the truth of the Bible. Now, you may say, right now, my faith condition is not like that. I am right now filled with lot of questions. I am right now filled with lot of doubt and unbelief. My faith is shaking. My faith is not firm. I have lot of doubts, you may say. Friends, the good news is, when we read Habakkuk chapter 3 and verse 18, it seems that we see a prophet Habakkuk who is strong in the Lord. But friends, when we read Habakkuk chapter 1, we see that prophet Habakkuk did not begin in that way. He too, in the beginning, he was also filled with lot of doubts. His faith was shaky. He was not firm. He had lot of doubts and unbelief. But from that position, in chapter 1, he went to that position where he was strong in the Lord and joyful in the Lord. Let me read to you Habakkuk chapter 1 and verse 2. And we see the condition of Habakkuk prophet in the beginning. He says, O Lord, how long shall I cry and you will not hear? Even cry out to you violence and you will not save. Why do you show me iniquity and cause me to see trouble? For plundering and violence are before me. There is strife and contention arises. Here prophet Habakkuk describes the situation his faith is in the beginning of this prophetic book. In the beginning, in the days when Habakkuk lived, he was faced with a situation where the society around him was full of lawlessness. It was full of injustice. It was filled with crime and so much sin everywhere around him. And so, seeing all those worst situation, the prophet was crying to God, God, why is the situation like this? Will you not save us from this situation? Will you not change it? He seeing all those injustice and unrighteousness around him, he was faced with lot of questions and confusion and doubt. But friends, in the book of Habakkuk, in chapter 1 and chapter 2, the Lord, begins to answer the questions of prophet Habakkuk. And when the Lord answered his questions in the chapter 3 of this book of Habakkuk, then the prophet begins to remind himself of the wonderful deliverance that the Lord God gave the people of Israel from the hands of Egypt and Pharaoh. How he opened the Red Sea and caused them to walk through in dry land. He remembered all those wonderful deliverances. And it was after that, in Habakkuk chapter 3 and verse 18, we see the prophet who was weak in faith become strong in faith. So friends, today be encouraged. You too may be today filled with lot of questions and confusion, seeing all the situation that is going on in the world today. But the good news is, you too can become strong in the Lord and be filled with joy in the midst of this sorrowful situation. So